Alright, this is the Rexburg API. It is connected to this MongoDB database, and it gives some information about Rexburg. And I got the data from like Google Maps. And so we have restaurant data, we have parks data. We also have a section here, and we'll just delete this for users. So we'll refresh and everything, and there we go. Now let's go over here. We'll copy this thing from render, paste, and as you can see, it says welcome to Rexburg API. You are not logged in. Please visit auth Google. So we'll click that, and we'll log in here, continue, and there we go. Authenticated. Welcome. Please visit API docs to make various requests. So as you can see, if we were to visit just this base, it would bring us to authenticated, since we are authenticated. So let's go over the docs here. And what I wanted to show you was this auth logout, logs out a user. So we'll try it out. Click execute. Okay. You can see it's returning this "you are not logged in" thing. So now let's try to go to docs here. Oh, you can see docs is a protected route. Because we're not logged in, it reroutes us over there. Let's go over here, and let's go, yeah, you can see I have this ensure auth here. And so for example, we'll go to this all, you are not logged in. We'll go to parks, you are not logged in. Restaurants, you are not logged in. And that just gives you a taste of some of these protected routes here. That wasn't all the protected routes, but I'll go ahead and log in here. So authenticated. Also, you can see, I'll refresh this MongoDB, and you can see users. I have this Mitchell Bauer. This is me. So let's go back to the docs here, and we'll just kind of start going through these docs here. Alright, so tells the user that they are not authenticated, or sends them to /authenticated. So since we are authenticated, it says authenticated, welcome. So authenticated, this is just one we've been seeing. Authenticated, welcome. We won't mess with these. Log out. Let's go with this one next. Try out all. Okay. So this gets the values for parks and restaurants collections. So you can see it's pretty big return here. We've got parks right here, and we've got restaurants. Now we'll go to parks here, try it out, execute, and as you can see, we got some parks here. Now let's just get by an ID here. So we'll go here, copy that, paste it, execute. And there we go, Evergreen Park. And let's maybe replace this with a 0. Execute. And it says park not found. Now let's just replace it with just nothing. The given ID cannot be used. So let's put it back as 6 for Evergreen Park. And as you can see, we got Evergreen Park. Now let's do a post park here. Alright, try it out. And we'll post a park called Test Park. Execute. And there we go. You can see we got this thing returned. And so we'll go up and let's get that. Test Park. Nice. Okay. Now let's see, look, it says input on invalid. So let's change the name of this test park to just be like my test park. So we'll try it out like that. And we'll just change the name to be my test park. Execute. And it's like 204. So now let's go back up here to the Git. And you see my test park right here. Let me just show you real quick that the MongoDB should be working here. So we just refresh, and you see down here my test park. So that's cool. Now let's just decide to delete this park. So let's copy this, execute, delete count 1. Let's go back to Mongo, refresh, and here we go. We just see Evergreen, Smith, and Porter. All right. Now for restaurants, let's try this out. Execute. And you can see we got Cup Bop, Taco Bell, Freddy's, and let's go down and let's just get Taco Bell. There. Paste, execute. There we go. Let's say we had an invalid one like that. Execute, the given ID cannot be used. Let's just put a 5 in there. It should be 9, but restaurant not found. So we'll put a 9 in there. Execute. Yeah, Taco Bell. Cool. We'll post a restaurant here. Let's just kind of use Taco Bell as a starting point. But we'll call it test place to eat. Alright. Let's execute. There we go, test place to eat. We got this new ID here. And we'll just locate it right here. You can see test place to eat. I'll go over here in MongoDB and test place to eat here. Cool. Now let's put to that same restaurant, and let's just change the type. The type was fast food. Let's just change it to, let's see. Alright. We got 200 or 204. Yeah. I'll refresh it here. Show it to you. Test place to eat is fancy. Cool. Now, let's go ahead and do a delete of that test place to eat here. Copy. Paste, execute. Delete count 1. We'll go back. Refresh that. And yeah, we just see Cup Up, Taco Bell, and Freddy's. Alright. Okay, I also wanted to show we have process.env, Google Client ID, Google Client Secret, we have connection string, and yeah, like we have connection string. And so I wanted to show we have environment variables here in render, connection string, Google Client ID, Google Client Secret.